In today's fiercely competitive communications market, service providers have placed a higher level of importance on providing a superior customer experience. This is according to research done by DeHaven in 2014. Research suggests that companies using big data can provide a measurable improvement in customer experience because big data provides a personalized experience for each customer, streamlines the process for efficient interactions, and can match the needs of the customer to the business offerings more quickly. Today I'll be going over two main points regarding big data usage. Point number one is big data, when used properly, can dramatically improve the customer experience. And number two, big data can lead to decreases in overhead and increased profitability for companies that utilize it properly. Main point number one, big data can improve the customer experience. If we take a look at my infographic here, you'll see that email users send approximately 205 million messages of every minute of every day. In addition to that, Google receives over 2 million search queries of every minute of every day. So what is that telling us? In today's age, we're collecting more and more data about each customer that we have. Present-day research shows that the customer experience is generated through a more complete process of customer interactions across several channels, such as phone, chat, and social media. This is according to research done by Klaus in 2013. By compiling this data together, companies can obtain a more holistic understanding of their customer base, according to Markle in 2015. This information has proven to be extremely valuable as organizations so that they can now arm their agents with greater and more personalized information about the customer so that they can take action on each interaction with the customer. Jameson, 2014. In order to improve the customer experience, companies must first be able to not only measure, but model the customer experience. This is the ability to pull in, combine, and use customer interaction analytics along with data resources in providing the elevated level of customer experience the newer generations are demanding. Jameson, 2014, once again. This data should not sit, but rather be used to uncover patterns, trends, and customer behavioral issues. We must face it that the data is telling us the customer experience is replacing quality in the competitive battleground of the marketplace. Main point number two is big data can lead to decreases in overhead and increased profitability for companies when used properly. Measurable results from big data drive improvements in both revenue and profits most easily by identifying the customer attrition risk. This is according to research done by Burke in 2015. Tim Gargenti of CIO Insights estimates that implementation of such big data practices has provided up to a 3% revenue increase and a 15% increase in margins for his company. In order to take advantage of big data to increase margins, companies must be able to differentiate the signal from the noise. That is, the ability to tell when the data is telling them something useful and when it's telling them something not useful about a customer. In conclusion, research does suggest that companies using big data can provide a measurable improvement in the customer experience because big data provides a personalized experience for each customer. It streamlines the process for efficient interactions and can match the needs of the customer to the business offerings more quickly. So, the summary of my main points. Number one, big data can improve the customer experience. Number two, big data can increase profit margins. We are in the age of big data, so let's make all that information we generate daily useful. With this data, companies will increase brand loyalty and decrease customer attrition. Thank you.